Hello and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to add a token to Coinbase Wallet. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is simply open up your Coinbase Wallet, and once you've opened up the Coinbase Wallet, I'll be showing you how you could add tokens on the ERC20 network and the Solana. To do this, or to be able to get this done, click on the receive icon. And for Ethereum based tokens, all you need to do is take note of the token you wish to send. Now, you can send tokens from a centralized exchange or from a wallet. For the Ethereum, I'll be showing you how to do that on a wallet. And the wallet in question is the Trust wallet. So all you need to do is open up your Trust wallet. As you can see here, we have an Ethereum token in the AVE. That's the AVE token, which you can send from your Trust wallet over to the Coinbase wallet. All you need to do is minimize and open up the Coinbase wallet, copy your Ethereum address, open the Trust wallet once more, click on send, paste your address and enter the amount of AVE you wish to send. Click on next and you'd be shown the amount of gas fees you're to pay and how much tokens are leaving. As you can see here, everything is shown, and all you need to do is either click on send or complete transaction. And once you've done this, for other tokens like the Solana tokens we have on the Coinbase wallet, all you need to do is simply copy your Solana address. And now Solana tokens exist on the Solana network, and you're going to need a Solana wallet to be able to send those tokens out. And the token, or an example of those tokens, are on the Phantom wallet. And once the Phantom wallet has opened up, you can find a list of Solana based tokens like the Catfish, Smog, Solana itself, Jito Stake So. So to be able to send a Solana token, all you need to do is click on the token you wish to send and click on the send option. Now you can get your address, or you can get the address from Coinbase wallet, but I already have it copied. So paste the address here, click on next, enter the amount of tokens you wish to send, and simply click on next once more, and then proceed to send the tokens out of your wallet. And once you send the Solana based tokens from your Phantom wallet to the Coinbase wallet, you could proceed to check once the transaction is completed. All right, and once the tokens are sent successfully, minimize and open up the Coinbase wallet. And once you've opened up your Coinbase wallet, head to the home section, perform a simple reload, and it says updating balances. So your tokens would easily show on the assets menu. If you can't find the tokens, check your transaction history, perform a reload, and you'd find the Solana token you just sent here. Boom, here we go. The Solana token 6.53 Smog tokens were sent today. And if you head to the assets menu and perform a reload, you'd find the Smog token on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can add tokens to the Coinbase wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.